Hello everyone, welcome to Düsseldorf. Over here there's a river. Its name is Düssel. So I think what we can say is this river gives the name to the city. Dorf means village in German and Düssel means boring, dull, a boring village. So let's see if it's boring or not. I was in Dortmund today and I just arrived to Düsseldorf and this is my hotel. Just put my bag over there. Finally I will walk around the city without that heavy bag. One of my friends from Leipzig told me you shouldn't even go to Düsseldorf. He said that's a terrible city, there is this ugly places, people are mean, and I said I want to see it for myself. Maybe I will think the other way. Why don't we give a chance to Düsseldorf to prove it wrong? Let's go see the beautiful places in Düsseldorf. Another German city, another big river. Its name is Rhine River, and lots of ships over here, lots of yachts, and there's a bridge over there, so we will go to the bridge and cross it and see if we can capture some goodness. Okay, we are unnecessarily on the bridge.
Yo, what's going on?
Yeah, just taking a video, man. Sun is burning so much. I wanna go find a shade to walk, but unfortunately it's not that possible. It's a bad fact that all the time I have different amount of same black shirt. I should have brought some white shirt instead. Okay, so existence of this river in the middle of the city and it's being so long and wide gives a good vibe about the city, especially in this part of the city. That's why I feel so much better when I compare it with Dortmund city. I mean, Dortmund sucks. I really don't like it at all. Maybe I couldn't see the good parts of the city. I don't know. It was a quick trip after all, but it's a quick trip to Düsseldorf as well, but it already looks so good. Something weird happened. I left my pocket in the hotel. It was in my bag and I forgot that. And because of that, I cannot enter to this tower. I was really planning to go at the top of this tower, but unfortunately I cannot do it right now because my pocket is not with me. I'm physically exhausted. I've been traveling starting from Monday. This is Wednesday and I've been seeing 3 cities a day. And I'm trying so hard to see the most that I can see. So I feel exhausted. I slept less than I normally would. And because of that, probably mentally I feel tired as well because of that. The other day I almost lost my phone. Some random person came and brought that to me, like seeing me randomly. He just guessed it could be mine and he asked me. Yes, I said it is my phone. Thank you so much. Ah, where did you get it? Thank you so much. I almost gonna lose my phone. Thank you. And today I forgot my pocket. I was just walking randomly trying to find a Starbucks because I don't have my pocket, but I have the Starbucks app, so I can buy some water from there because I got so thirsty. I was randomly walking and this is what I saw in the middle of the city, which is so good, so cool. While I was trying to find the Starbucks, I found another beautiful place. Check this place out. There's a bridge over there, and I believe right across the bridge I will see the Starbucks and I will finally intake some liquid. Okay, after taking a deep breath in Starbucks, I'm now in the Altstadt of Düsseldorf, Old Town. We have the Rathaus over here, and the building looks so good indeed, and the square is so empty because people are having fun in that street over there. I don't know its name, but we will go there in a minute. Okay, so this was in a nutshell Düsseldorf. I'm sorry for forgetting my pocket in the hotel, because if I had my pocket with me, I would go to the top of the tower, and also I would go to a museum that I planned, but I couldn't do it, unfortunately. Okay, I feel exhausted right now. My feet hurt so bad, and I can barely stand up. I'm going to the hotel to have some rest. I will see you in the next videos.